Hey guys, congratulations on finishing your first discussion talking about poem, short story, and video. Hope you had a little bit of fun with that. Hope you had some interesting connections that you made with each other. That's the whole point of discussions. And so, yeah, now that we've spent some time reading, listening, and thinking about how others see themselves, I want you all to focus on how you see yourselves, how we see ourselves. Our immediate tendency, of course, when we think about ourselves, especially in the era of social media, is to probably be hypercritical. Like, I'm ugly, I'm lazy, I'm weird. We may be victims. We may think of ourselves, well, the other people don't really know me. No one listens to me. My friends never call me. I always have to call them. Conversely, we may be overconfident. We may be, everything I do is pretty much amazing. People like me. I'm always the smartest one in the room. But on further examination, all of these self-concepts can use some refocusing and perhaps a little help. We want to be able to see ourselves through a clearer lens and give ourselves a more thoughtful and directed path forward. So with that objective in mind, we're going to do our first kind of longer writing assignment. And we're going to learn how to write a personal mission statement. Read on. You'll have a model. You'll have some sort of instructions, and then you go ahead and give it a try yourself. All right, good luck. Carry on.